like the river.
Mm-hmm.
I love that.
Isn't that like the river?
Mm-hmm.
Look, that stinks.
That's coming right up out.
Grandma, have you ever seen the movie Don't Chase Me? That's like the.
I'm gonna take a video. I'm just gonna like look all the way. Yeah, just a little tiny short video. Is it boiling?
This is boiling.
It is.
I know.
Tunnel like that, and then put water in it. Where's Jesse and Chris and Grandma?
They walked around.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Make sure you guys see where those people are pointing in the dirt right there.
Mm-hmm.
There's a big bear track there.
Mm.
And you can kind of see his tracks going along the hill.
There's a what? Bear track?
This is a fluffy one.
Whoa! Chris! Will you ever go out west again? Oh, waterfall.
Oh, cool.
I see why you make
Picture,
those.
picture.
It's coming.
Hmm?
The bomb is coming.
Right over our camp.
Did we see that?
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
What? The nice blue sky, white puffy clouds. I don't like that. Did we see that already?
Pushing out of there with some flood.
Ah, big boom. I need to get this picture quick because my battery's almost dead.
Hold the camera. Now, lady, go clean off.
By the way, Pat. Yeah, they had divisions. They had state divisions. Got nothing to do with me.